Hey everyone, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add an item to TikTok Shop Livestream. So what you want to first do is actually add an item to something that's called your showcase. Go to the shopping tab, and then let's say click on an item, and then this toggle button where it says earn $5 on each product sold, you want to click on that, and then click on the add to showcase button. So I've already added a few items to my showcase, and you can check your showcase by going to your profile and then clicking on showcase on the right hand side. So these are all the items that I've added to my showcase, which means that all of these items I can actually promote via live stream. So when you click on the plus button on the middle, bottom middle, you're going to see a page that looks like this. You want to go ahead and actually scroll over to the right hand side where it says live, then click on products, and then click on add products, and then this is your showcase basically that we were looking at earlier. So any of these products you can add to your live stream. You can add multiple products into a single live stream as well. So let's say I'll add these men's solid pocket drawstring waist sweatpants. Now when I go live, people can actually purchase this during my live stream, and then I'll earn a commission. That's how you actually add products to your live stream. But let me know if you guys have any questions. I'd be more than happy to help out.